Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a remote controlled firefighting robot. So let's check the full operation of our project first. In this project, we used here 3 flame sensor and 1 servo motor with a carbon dioxide foam spray and also water supply pipe, and in the inner side of this robot we included here a water tank that will be used here to store water for stop fire, and in the system we included here two microcontroller. One is Arduino Uno, another one is Node MCU, motor driver, battery, and two IR receiver with one manual switch and two buck converter is used here, and one ESP32 Cam and two SG90 servo motor is used here to get 360-degree view, and we used here two boom motor and two freewheel. Now we will refill our water tank, and this water tank will be used here to make sure water supply to our water pump, and that will used here to stop fire. And now we will restore this water tank the inner side of this robot, and then we will cover it again. So after covering, it's ready to use. So now we will control this robot by using this remote and one gas light. So let's start it. So now we will use this gas light to check our fire detection system. So this spray and water supply will be used here to stop fire in front of this robot. We need to press our remote to throw our spray or foam spray and water supply also. So it was our foam spray, and now we will provide water supply. So on that case we need to press our remote and again we try it. So it's working properly to stop fire, and now we will check our next part of this project. So now we will check our camera output, and that's why we need to start streaming, and we getting here a video but it's small, that's why we need to choose HD quality, and then we will get a proper output that will show in our desktop. So now we will change the position of camera, and this position changing system will be controlled by our remote and two servo motor. Now we will return this camera in previous position. So by using this servo motor we can get 360-degree view and around of this firefighting robot. So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.